Good morning, my name is Harpreet and welcome to my channel. Today is the day to go explore Grassi Knob Trail, which is located in Canmore. So coming from Calgary, we took the exit on Three Sisters Parkway and stayed on this road until we went all the way to the very end, which is actually a cul-de-sac. We parked our vehicles on the roadside. It was a nice hot day. And it's always a good idea to have our wind cheaters and our rain jackets in our backpacks, not to leave them in our vehicles. Because when we're out in the mountains, weather can change very quickly. Something to keep in mind. Always be prepared. So we started walking towards this gate, which is also called the Highline Trail. It was a really nice warm-up, walking on a nice steady trail. There are a lot of blue poles posted there with the Highline Trail sign written on them. And from this intersection, we turn left and follow the trail. And we arrive at this little creek, the Three Sisters Creek. Looking back at the bridge of the creek, we come to another junction. And from this intersection, we turn sharp right. And at the end of this trail, there's another sharp left that you would take to get back onto the regular route. We decided to do our loop counterclockwise, so coming to this intersection, we turn right. Hi! Hello! There were multiple junctions on this trail, so you had to be careful about your navigation skills just to ensure that you were following the right trail. And then we came to this another bridge. Don't go over the bridge, because otherwise you'll be on a completely different trail. There is actually a trailhead on the left side that you need to climb up. And the trail gets very, very steep from this point onwards. Pretty rugged terrain. We actually had to use our hands in order to climb some of those big boulders. Very uneven terrain. Hi! Lots of glute and leg workout. Oh yeah, you just needed the full body force in order to climb some of these boulders. And then we approach this first viewpoint. Once we get to the end of the trail on this open hill, the views are just outstanding, amazing views. There was a little bit of a hands-on scrambling, but nothing too scary, nothing too technical. It's a nice and, I would say, moderately difficult hike. Just approaching the summit one by one. What a delightful moments those are when we make it to the summit. Well done. Good job. And here, one final push, and that's it. We're on the summit. Here's the rest of the gang. Hello, y'all. Hi. Being on top of that mountain that was surrounded by Three Sisters, Ship's Pro, and the mighty Lawrence Grassi, and a beautiful valley made me feel protected, confident, and conquered. Yes, the mountains conquer my existence for who I am. Well, thank you very much for watching my video. Any comments, feel free to leave them in the comment box, and we'll see you next time with another video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.